channel. Today I have a highly requested video. You guys have been asking for me forever and ever to make a mermaid theme or an under the sea setup, and today is finally the day. Sorry about that. Today I'm going to be making a shell throne, and I'm also going to show you how I make my mermaid tail garland. It's going to be fun. Alright guys, if you're new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe if you want to see more home, holiday, event, and DIY decor. Alright guys, let's get started. Here we go. Alright guys, so I'm going to use whiteboard to make my shell. No particular reason. I just had it left over from my last project and I decided to go ahead and use it. You can use regular plywood. They're basically the same price, give or take. This was originally 8x4, but what you see here is a 4x4, so I basically cut it in half. But 4x4 is definitely more than enough to make this shell. With whiteboard, it's best to draw and cut on the opposite side, or for anything in general, it's best to draw and cut on the side that's not the best. So you leave your best side on the opposite side. Did that make sense? Sometimes I don't know if that makes sense. I have to play it back. I have some measurements that I made for myself, and I want the bottom of my shell to be 20 inches, the middle 48 inches, and the height of it 36, in between 36 to 48 inches. All right, so here's how I come up with my calculations if you would like to know. Here, this is 48 inches, so 48 inches, you take away the 20 inches that I want to make at the bottom, so that's 20. So that equals to 28, okay? And then I'm going to divide that into 2 in order for me to center it. So I need 14 inches from this side and 14 inches from the opposite, and there I will find my middle. I'm going to take as much of the board as I can, and here I set my tape measure to 2 feet. This is halfway from top to bottom, okay? And here is the middle. I want the widest point of this shell to be 24 inches by 48 inches. I don't have a long ruler, so I'm going to use this leftover piece of stick that I have from another project. Just go ahead and use whatever you have around the house, guys. You know I'm for it. All right, so I'm going to make 7 curves, and 1 in the middle and then 3 on each side. And the bottom is going to start narrow, but you are going to get wider as you get to the top. I decided that it was best and easier to use a bowl to make the scallops or waves on top. So this is as good as it's going to get. This is as similar as I could make this side from that side. And this in the middle, don't even worry about it. This is just a guide because you're actually going to be painting the other side. All right, so let's go ahead and cut. Time to paint the shell, and I have been going back and forth for a day and a half on whether I should leave it in white, paint it in magenta, this candy pink, or metallic gold, and I finally decided that I'm going to go with the candy pink. But let me know what you guys would have picked if it was your choice. All right guys, let's paint. To give the shell a little more definition, I'm going to use this gold metallic ribbon that I got from Party City. I am going to use it to divide each scallop or each wave that you see on top. So it's going to come from top to bottom, okay? And I'm going to glue it with hot glue. Let me show you how to do it. And here's the chair that I'm going to use as designated sitting area for this show throne. This beautiful chair I bought at Goodwill for 16 bucks. I actually bought 3 of them because I'm going to use 2 of them to make a actual throne chair. Once I figure out how to make it, that is. And the chair was actually black, and I went ahead and primed it in white so the candy pink can show beautifully. I am going to use sticky back Velcro to attach the shell to the chair. This way I'm able to paint the chair any color and attach any design I want to the chair. Now I'm going to start working on my garland, and I'm using a combination of pastel and macaroon color balloons. Some of you guys have been asking what I use to hang my garlands, and I mostly use fishing line and clear thumbtacks. I place them right on top very high, all right, and you're not even able to see them. At a client's home, if they're okay with it, I will do the same method, and most of the time they're okay with it because, like I said, I place it very high and you can barely see it. Now, when you're at a venue, you're not able to put holes on the wall, but I will nicely ask them if you could at least use command hooks, the ones where you pull the strip in the back and will not leave mark on the walls. I decided to take away the beautiful backdrop that I had hanging because I felt like it took away from the beautiful balloon arrangement, and I added some magenta 12-inch balloons that I blew up a little bit bigger than the other ones I had on there. Now I'm going to extend the bottom of the garland by adding more 12-inch balloons, and I'm going to attach them together with glue dots. Okay guys, so I am going to leave it as is for now. I'm gonna have to see how it looks with everything all together to see if I want to add the rest of the 5-inch balloons. Alright guys, this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was worth the wait. And if you did, please make sure to give me a thumbs up. Make sure to comment, let me know your thoughts on the whole setup, and make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Also, make sure to share. Sharing is caring. If you know of a friend or a family member that would love to have this setup, make sure to share with them at the end of this video. Alright guys, until next time, bye.